Somalia is the most corrupt country in the world in 2022, according to Transparency International's annual Corruption Perceptions Index. Hassan Sheikh has long history of corruption. 2014 UN report says Hassan Sheikh attempts to steal assets. Somalia was climbing up towards less corruption, but since Hassan was inaugurated the 15th of May 2022, it all went down to hell. Family members were appointed as advisor and close friends were appointed in important positions. Most notable family member Corrupt Abdullahi Noor became advisor for President Hassan Sheikh.
Also, the very close friend and corrupt Farah Abdul Qadir was appointed as Education Minister. Close family member Mad Dali as Mogadishu Major, and another notable family member, former warlord Gudlaw, leader of state close to Mogadishu. Friend and terrorist Mad Doob was supported in extension of term in Kismayo. The most shocking was terrorist Mukhtar Rubao became minister. Transparency International, an independent source.